Ford's 50th anniversary marks the introduction of the Ford LTD town car. Designed for the man who desires spirited performance, elegance and comfort. Everything about Ford LTD town car sets it apart. From its tasteful golden exterior and leather grain vinyl roofline to its spacious, lavishly appointed interior. Deep cushioned seats are upholstered in supple, soft, chamois-toned leather, accented by a luxuriously finished instrument panel. There's a 4-speaker stereo cassette system and separate deluxe push-button radio. Integrated air conditioning to front and rear is fingertip controlled. So are the power windows. Sumptuous doeskin-toned cut-pile carpet covers the floor. Notice too the spacious rear compartment legroom and the individual front seat overhead dome lamps. Naturally, considerations such as variable ratio power steering and select shift 3-speed automatic transmission are standard. So too is the powerful LX 5.8-litre V8 engine, matched by the safety of radial ply tires and power disc brakes on all 4 wheels. LTD Town Car, a limited golden edition to mark Ford's 50th anniversary. LTD Town Car by Ford.